Did you know that the most terrifying weapon of World War II wasn't a bomb or a tank, but the sun itself? It sounds like the plot of a 1950s sci-fi flick, but in 1945, Allied intelligence uncovered documents that proved Nazi scientists were dead serious about building a sun gun. They wanted to harness the power of a star to incinerate cities from space. Strap in, because we're diving into the secret plans of the helio beam, the weapon that almost turned science fiction into a global nightmare. The concept was as simple as it was terrifying. Nazi engineers planned to launch a massive concave mirror, nearly 100 meters wide, into geostationary orbit. Made of highly reflective sodium, this wasn't just a shiny object in the sky, it was a giant magnifying glass. By tilting the mirror, they intended to focus the sun's rays into a concentrated beam of heat directed at Earth. Think of it like a kid burning ants with a lens, but on a scale that could vaporize a metropolis. Dubbed the sun gun, this orbital weapon was designed to boil oceans and turn enemy capitals into ash in seconds. But it wasn't just a mirror, it was a fully functioning space station. The plans included living quarters for astronauts, pressurized oxygen supplies, and even centrifugal boots so the crew could walk on the walls in zero gravity. It was essentially the 1940s version of the Death Star, decades before Star Wars was even a thought. Why didn't it happen? While the physics behind the beam was theoretically sound, the logistics were a nightmare. Nazi scientists estimated it would take at least 50 to 100 years to assemble the mirror in space. They lacked the rockets to ferry that much material into orbit, and the sheer cost would have bankrupted the Reich. When American experts finally interrogated the lead designer, Hermann Oberth, they realized the ambition was real, even if the technology was decades away. After the war, the sun gun plans were seized and classified by the U.S. under Operation Paperclip. While the weapon was never built, the research contributed to the early days of the space race and satellite technology. Today, it remains one of the strangest what-ifs in military history, a reminder of a time when the line between scientific genius and pure madness completely disappeared.